Good morning, children. Two more sums were left, so I have completed all the sums. I have done it, written it here, and I am going to explain now. Simplify the following and write the results in ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order, you can make it, children. Just you have to simplify it. Just look at this simplification. Minus 5, minus of minus 4. So when minus is given before the brackets, so its value is changing, I told. So minus 5 plus 4 will be, since both of them are opposite signs, you will get the greater value sign for the next, and you are getting how much is the difference. You will write the difference here. Second, 7 minus 6 will give you 7 plus 6, which is equal to, both of them are positive now, and therefore it will be 13. And minus 29 minus of minus 30, minus 29 plus 30. So since both of them are opposite signs, the greater value sign will come, that is plus, and it is more by one value, and you can write 1 here. And here minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, both of them are same signs. So minus 5 minus 4 is equal to minus 9. So these are the values. So now write these results in the ascending order. Ascending order. Results in the ascending order. Ascending order, if you write here minus 1, here 13, minus 1, 13, plus 1, 9. So here the least value is the negative value, the whose magnitude is more, that is the least. So minus 9, comma, minus 1, comma, plus 1, comma, 13. Descending order. Just reverse the order. 13, 1, minus 1, minus 9. Okay. Now coming to the next. Use the correct symbols greater than, less than or equal in the following blanks. So now this you have to calculate. Minus 25 minus of minus 30 is plus. So minus 25 plus 30. So here you will be getting the positive value, since positive value is greater than the negative value. And now 25, 30, difference is 5, so 5. Here minus 30 and minus sign is there before the bracket, so that you will be changing the value to plus 25. Since both of them are having the difference in the value signs, you will get minus, and this is 5. Though the values are 5, the symbol you are having is negative and positive, so positive value is always greater than the negative value. Similarly, coming to the next, 5, minus sign is there before the bracket, so it will become plus 4, and this is 9. Here minus 5, minus is there before the bracket, so it will become plus 5, and this will become 0. So 9 is always greater than 0, so you put greater than. 10 minus 20, so 10 plus 20 will become 30. Here minus 17, and bracket is there before the negative sign is there before the bracket, so it will change the sign of the internal value, that is plus 47, and this value is 30. So both of them are positive 30, so you can write equal to 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 minus of minus 5 is plus 5, and therefore this is also 5. So here you can write equal. Thank you, children. And at the same time, this worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 are based on your exercise 1 and 2 in the textbook. So you try to complete exercise 1 and 2 in the textbook. That also continuation with this notes itself along with worksheets. You please complete, and that you can do it slowly. Tomorrow we will allow you to complete the first exercise. Day after tomorrow you are allowed to do the second exercise. One exercise only, you post it to the videos. Thank you.